Cheers. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. I'm going to call this a 2 beer install. So today we went with the Goose Island, which is actually a Chicago beer if you don't know, and that has my favorite hockey team, the Blackhawks, even though they are doing pretty crappy right now. But this is a very simple install. But it is effective, and yeah, again, 2 beer install. We are jumping in. We are this video is sponsored out by Lasfit. We are going to put LED turn signals in for the front, and then we're going to put better reverse lights in the rear, and they are bright. So I already did one side because I just always like to start with, you know, where I can learn my mistakes and, you know, popping them off. Never really popped off these turns, the rear tail light, so I wanted to kind of do that first, just to see, because I heard there's a couple of clips, so it actually isn't that bad. So we are just going to jump right to the front because it's really simple. So this one's done. Like I said, 2 beer. Cheers. Like I said, I'm going to grab one of these. If you want to know what... Ooh, come on. There you go. If you want to know what the part number is for the front turn signals, it is... There we go. Here is the part number for the front turn signal. And it's basically right here. If my camera would focus, but it's too busy focusing on everything else. There we go. Very nice fit. So let's just jump to the front and get it done. Light, you're going to need a T20 Torx bit, and then there are some clips that are right here and right about here, so give or take right around this little section. And all you have to do is, once you get these 2 bolts undone, is just kind of tug on this little corner right here. It'll come off. You're gonna have to put a little force behind it, but it's really not that big of a deal if you never took one of these things off. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick, easy install. So like I said, you got this bolt and then this tiny little bolt, T20s. Again, let's wipe this down. So all the sand and stuff still from Michigan. Right in this bottom one, right here. Right in the bottom one. And all you have to do is twist. So just kind of fits in there like so. again. So let's get that. Just kind of tap that in. There we go. So you guys saw how bright they are. They are really bright. I can't wait to actually see them actually at night when I'm turning. The only thing, I'm gonna get the front LED. The front LEDs are the same as the rear LEDs, so I gotta get a matching set. So like I said, 2 beer install, one beer for each side. There's really not much to really go over about it, except for they make it where they should have been from factory. You know, there's no reason why we're buying, you know, close to, you know, $50,000 to $60,000 dollars on a truck where they're not LEDs, especially on the inside of the cab. So their lights I would highly recommend getting. Just Lasfit lighting. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. From me to you guys, hope you guys have a happy new year. I'll catch you guys next year. Peace out.